going to show you today how I put together my refried beans, and this is for my chicken and rice and bean burritos. So it's real simple. Right here I have got my pan with some oil, and it should be good and hot. I'm going to put my onions in there because those are going to have to cook about 5 minutes or so, because you're going to want them, I'm going to put a little salt in there with them, you're going to want them real soft. So with that, these are going to cook for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. And I know you're not going to want to sit here and watch these cook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, and when they're done, I'll be back. Okay, those are nice and brown. They've been going about 7 minutes or so. So with that, I'm going to add my spices there. And I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of my chili powder. I'm going to add a ¼ teaspoon of cumin. That's going to be wonderful. Oh, I got to get my minced. Okay. And then I got my minced garlic. I'm going to put about a ½ tablespoon of that in there. Maybe a little bit more, because I just love that stuff. So, okay, I turned this burner down. Ooh, that juice from that garlic. Okay, let me set that, leave that sitting there. With that, I'm going to put my 3 cups of beans in here. My pinto beans. Mix that all around. Oh, I need a hot pad. And I'm going to let those get really good and warm. Also at this point, after I put my lids back on, I'm going to put about a teaspoon of lime juice in there. Maybe even 2. Actually, I'll just do a ½ tablespoon of lime juice. Right in with my beans. Okay? Beautiful. Alright, ooh, that's warm. Okay, so those are just going to cook right there until they're good and, oh, that smells wonderful, until they're good and heated through. And when I get ready to mash them up and they're heated all the way through, I'll bring you back and I'll show you the next step. Okay, friends, these are heated all the way through. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fork, just like so, and just mash. You can use a potato masher if you want, but I want some chunks. I don't want them real creamy and, you know, pureed. I want some chunks in here. So this is all I'm going to do, just like so. These make a wonderful side dish, but these happen to be, they're going to go in my burritos. Now I'm going to let them simmer just a little bit more on low, because I want them to be a little bit drier than what they are. I don't want them too wet. But that's it. That's all there is to it. And I'm going to leave them sit there on low for a few more minutes and let some of that moisture come out of there. And that's how easy it is to make. Now I got all the stuff ready for my burritos. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.